It's always been said that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So let's start it off right with a delicious protein slamming breakfast bowl. This recipe is very similar to the smoothie bowl, but instead of using yogurt, I'm using cottage cheese packed with plenty of fruits, oats, and walnuts. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get started. So the ingredients we need are chopped walnuts, old-fashioned rolled oats, low-fat cottage cheese, clementine peeled and separated, a ripe banana peeled and thinly sliced, chopped fresh pineapple, fresh blueberries, honey, chia seeds, and ground cinnamon. Let's get this fruit chopped. Once it's prepped, set it aside and we'll get back to it in a minute. I want to enhance the flavor of the walnuts and the oats, so I'm going to toast them in a skillet over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes or so until they are brown and fragrant. The cooking part is out of the way, the rest is just making the bowls. Divide the cottage cheese into 4 bowls, topped with the clementine, bananas, pineapple, and the blueberries. Lastly, drizzle each bowl with your honey, a sprinkle of the chia seeds, some cinnamon, and the walnut oat mixture. You know this is gonna be good. Look at all those colors. These breakfast bowls can be made the night before, and they're easy to customize to your liking. And you know I'm all about that. Look here, it's time to indulge. I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.